In this video, I got her back. You can see it on this table right now. And I'm very happy with it. You don't know what's the problem? Check it out. Well, it's been 2 weeks, nearly 3 weeks actually. I put this in at my local Stihl dealer. See what's the problem it is. So she's finally back, the Sthil FS55 RC, and I'm glad to say it is running much better. So you see it a little bit later on in the video. Probably you might just see it briefly in the startup. It was a cheap service. I never forgot about that. Excuse me about the umbrella. It's nearly going to take off like Mary Poppins just here. So I might just hold it for the moment. I only just got the umbrella today. No, the other day also. I need it up because of the shade. Nearly did a Mary Poppins there. Anyways, no, I'm glad I got this back now. So it's all finished and been serviced. The problem, block muffler. Yeah, there is a screen in there, a screen protective. I'm not sure. I think there is one. That's why it is the vibrations in the other video I just done. That's why I couldn't get it properly to tune. So I will know the very next time if this ever blocks up again, or any other brush cutters, petrol brush cutters I got. So I just want to leave it, everything all alone whatsoever. Another issue they all even found about the vibration, it was the muffler, it was the flexible shaft, it wasn't greased up properly. Luckily it didn't break or broke or whatsoever. They even greased up the head, which I'm not going to touch. I might just add a little more just to keep it lubricating from the cutting head down there. Speaking of cutting head, I found another one, so I'll explain that later. They have drained the petrol, the fuel, and they even cleaned the carburetor up as well. The carburetor looks fairly new to me from the previous owner. Now the previous owner, whatever he done to it, done a flop of a service. Oh, by the way, a brand new spark plug too, funny enough. So that's brand new. That's an NGK, I just noticed. Other than that, she's running sweet. So if you want to see this running right now, go and have a look at this video. Very happy. Well, what do you make of it? Yeah, and I love it. Anyway, so as you can notice, I've got a bit of grass on there right now from the video, you can see. And speaking of the cutting head, I found another one. I bought this at the local markets for about $10, just near the Toronto Bridge, Fennell Bay Bridge actually. So this is called a polycut. If you haven't seen one of them, it's a blade like so, and also you can put a cord in it as well. I just got to still hold that. So I haven't yet tried it out, but you will see it very soon, and I will put it on this one just to try it. If I don't like it, well, I'll leave it off and go with the auto feed I've got on there right now. So anyway, that's nice and short and sweet for the moment. I want to do a short video. You want to know what's the cost was if the brolly doesn't blow away. Well, put my glasses on. It cost me $76. Yes, $76. I reckon that's pretty cheap. Even I can do that for $0 for myself. Put that away. Well, I'm happy with it. I'm going to give it a little touch clean, and I'll put it away in my garage. Other than that, we're going to do some mowing with it very soon. Anyway, so that's short and sweet. Yep, I love it. Love my other Honda. I do like my Hondas and Tanakas. So they are the three best brush cutters I like. Favourite two-stroke brush cutters has to be the Stihl, and Tanaka. Favourite four-strokes have to be the Honda, which I still got the Honda. I'm not going to get rid of the Honda just too soon. It's too early to tell. I just needed a backup source in case my Honda goes kaput whatsoever. Anyway, so that's about it, everyone. Thanks for what's happening to this brush cutter. I know you saw the first video on this one. In the meantime, like and subscribe and support me on Facebook, Instagram, and also I'm on Patreon as well. So go hit me up on Patreon. I'll put a link. Try to put a link in there. I've been slack putting links in some videos as well. So don't forget to ring the bell down there. Yep. All in all, thank you everybody, and that's the update on this Stihl FS55RC. Have a good day.